Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chelsea for those of you who are new, and today I decided to do a yellow look, as you can see, using one of ColourPop's new palettes. I really like the way that this turned out, so if you want to see how I created it, please keep watching. So for today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's new Honey eyeshadow palette. That was terrible. Now, I'm not going to be using too many shadows that I feel like I need to set my eyelid today. You can set your eyelid if you want, but I kind of already put powder on it, so I don't want to clump it up. It's like a little bit wet, so I'm just going to set it with a shadow in the palette and go from there. So I'm just going to set my eyelid using Stinger. Go in there and... Alright, so for my transition shade in my crease, I'm going to go in with Totally Buggin. And I'm going to take this on my ColourPop E2 blending brush. Oh, why'd I hit myself in the face? So I'm going to pack it in my outer V and just blend it up. Next, going in and deepening this up a little bit more with Buzzkill. And I'm going to be taking this on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush. Again, just packing that in the outer V and crease. Taking that Totally Buggin and just blending out that Buzzkill. And then on my lid, packing in Sweet Spot. I'm just taking this on my Morphe S11. This is just a smudger brush, a big smudger brush. And then taking that brush with Totally Buggin. Yeah, Totally Buggin, and just blending out that line if you created one. And then on top of this, I'm going to be going in with Dandy. This gold. I'm just going to brush off the same brush onto a towel, paper towel, whatever you want. Clean it off and pick up some of that Dandy and just go right over top. Whoa, hey, that is pigmented, yep. I'm just gonna go in and blend it out because that was way more pigmented than expected. Just gonna pack a little bit on my fingers because that always makes it a little bit more pigmented. And going in with a smaller smudge brush, I'm gonna go into my Sigma E21, and I'm just gonna blend out the edge that I kind of created with this metallic shadow here. And then I'm going to go in with Queen Bee, this brown metallic, and just blend that into the middle here. I'm just going to use my finger. Same thing, just going to use this brush to blend. And then going in with that Buzzkill and just deepening that up again. Alright, just like that. And then going in with that smudger brush again, I'm just gonna go under my lid with Buzzkill. Blending that out with a bigger Buzzkill brush. It's very light brown, so I'm not too worried about how far it's going. I don't really want to put any yellow under there. I think I'm going to stick with this. Is it looking too top heavy? Maybe. Alright, that's good. I'm just going to go in with a small liner. I'm just going to line my lash line just so I have a little line of blush to sit on. I'm going to be going in with my Araceli Perfectos liquid eyeliner. And I'm just gonna go on super thin. I lied, I did a very small wing because it just happened, honestly. I just made it go too far, so you know, it's fine. It'll be like a little bumblebee stinger because yellow reminds me of bumblebees. So for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Blinking Beauté's number 4 lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara just to take off the powder on my lashes. I'm going to go in on my top and my bottom. So this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Hopefully you guys want to recreate this yellow look. I actually really like the way that this turned out. I would definitely wear this out, so hopefully you guys do want to recreate it. If you do, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup. I love to see your guys' recreations, so please remember to tag me. Also, if you guys have any questions on this look or other looks, go ahead and leave them below in the comments and I will get back to you for sure. Thank you so much again for watching and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.